My brother and sisters on our road, this is a beautiful sister Laminato sign called One and Only. The original, no duplicates. Any other Laminato, it come on copy. I just don't kind of us. I decide for do the short clip. My brothers and my sisters, then naked pictures and yeah, where they come out snado. Are they against that? 100%. Make I begin with my brothers. My brothers, if that girl is sending you a naked picture, you not feel say you for value that because we body in a temple. For me, look you. Some of you are not even full teaspoon. For me, look you. It's send a naked picture to you. You know what that means? It means I love you. If you don't love you, you no go do harm. But why make one of the older naked pictures than they for cartoon we? Why make one of the older naked pictures than they for blackmail we? Una get for stop. Because the thunder where they can fire una. It then the hole in. Una get for stop. Una get for stop. Uma they make love to una. Una the video am. Unknowingly to am. Una don't know una begin take that video then now for cartoon. They ask for AB money. Give me $10,000. Give me £10,000. Wait from where you born in normal this year with yai. Who say when I expect we follow the getting kind money then? When the blackmail we. When I for stop. And my sisters, when the money so they ask we, follow we send we naked pictures to them. At the beg in the name of God, you where they look at me. Tell that guy, tell and say, honey, me to send you naked pictures to me. Me say for one for see how you there right now. That's not sweet. You don't make out to play. Make her fine. If you see you not send a naked picture to you, not send you naked picture to them. It means he ready for play a game. But really, woman, we can be so stupid. We can be so carried away with love. As they talk, we don't buy them. We don't make a video, or we don't take a picture. We don't send them to them. We did one saying a love, but then they do one for blackmail we. My sisters then, and a big one in the name of God. Whenever them man they ask we for naked pictures, you where they look at me. Tell her, say, baby, you send me your naked picture first, but you are big, I want to see how you that time, but you are big, yeah, just all your parents send for me. You make an joke way, but you mean a right inside your guts. If he send her for you, Ola, not send you your own, no. Because most of the time, the man they're not care. A man can walk around this kitchen hall, naked one with him dig the ring bell, belling, and okay, you don't give a damn. Yes. So that not means when the man send you in your naked picture, you say for send you your naked picture. Don't do it. It's a trap. Una wake up. Una shine una yai. We are queens. Wait, if you're not a queen, it means you are very smart. So do ya at the big one in the name of God. When the man asks una for una naked pictures, una not one. May they say send una then your naked picture first. And when they send your naked picture, now it's rap. Don't fall for it. Not send your naked picture to them. At the big one in the name of God. My sisters, it's about time we say begin play them and they like how they can play we. Just know we begin play them. Because they feel so we stupid. No, we are not stupid. Now love no more can do that. It's about time. Me, I don't tire for see me call woman they precious. I don't tire. That's what I call pussy. Because me know they call me on pussy, me they call me on precious. Because it is precious. When me don't tire for see me call woman they precious. It's about time. Lord, they see them money so now they dick them on social media. Lord, they see them dick them on social media. Yes. The dick that women don't see on social media, they only then a cartoon dick them. Because when you look there, they don't reach, they're like me pinky. They don't reach Kopando. When I say dick, good dick. Now they want for the see on social media. I don't tire for the see precious. What me get, I don't tire for the see. So my sisters, they are the big one in the name of God. We are queens them and we are smart. Lord, we act like the queen the way we be. Are the big one. Do ya? Ah, now we no more for the send we naked picture to them guide ya. When I wake up, now we no more. Already, we send with Bobby. Already, we send with Precious. What are they call pussy? Me not they call me own pussy because it's not a pussy cat. Yes. Louis said begin to ask them. May they send them picture, the naked picture, where the dick hang between their legs, the ring bell, belling. Then Louis send them on social media. Louis see if you go sweet them. All the time now we then they play. All the time now we then they cartoon. All the time now we then they play. They don't naked one. Who they will waste. Who precious then a do. Naked one. The man and dick they know they come on a do. How they on dick then a fall dick. When they come on a do. The man then dick they na fall dick. When you know they see in the inside. It's on tool. That's what I call talking. My sister say, and a big one in the name of God. Let we left for the sending naked pictures thing, yeah, to then guide it, yeah. Let we left. When they ask you for naked picture, say, baby, okay, I will send you the naked picture, but yeah, baby, but yeah, send me your first, but make I see. I just want to see what's in there, and I don't miss me, boy. But yeah, just send her for me quick, make I can see. Do you big? When I'm not vexed, I started talking so. Just be very romantic. They laugh, they smile. Say, it's send her. Where is it send you like pap? Say, baby, me phone do and bog. We want to talk, say, baby, but left me, but I know able for send the picture right now. I'm busy. No drama. You all in your own. And then you see where that man will eat the migi. Because trust me, when man knows say you don't all in naked picture. You don't all in naked picture. It go begin to think twice. Although some of them they don't care. The sisters, they make a tell you something. So man they don't give a damn. They don't care. Yes. This big hallway. Man can pass now so in dick the ring a bell between a leg. He no give a hook. Yes. They no care. So my sisters are the beguna in the name of God. Let we be on top of we game. When then guy they ask me for naked pictures, Lord we know they send them to them. Make them send the naked picture to me. As for me, Lamina to Sanko. This na September now they pass. So before October they done. I beg. I want to see naked pictures there on Facebook. I want to see naked pictures there on WhatsApp. Man them, naked picture. Not so woman no. Because men are precious, me get, I don't want to see precious. I beg. I want to see a dick. Naked man. In picture, in dick. Make it go around. Na social media. Let we see how them will feel. You be what way they look me. We are not even afraid. Say na we born una. We are not even afraid. Say na mama na born una. We are the video we. Oh, they get sex. When they take a picture, where they get sex unknowingly to we. If you see a woman pulling clothes for you, you may brother way they look me. The woman they really love you. When woman pulling clothes for you, it is priceless. Yes, you for respect and for that. Let alone send a naked picture to you. Yes, but when the video we unknowingly won't know. When they take a picture, won't know. Won't they make love to me? Who they feel saying I love? Be on a set up, una ready for blackmail we. My sisters, una shine una ya, una open una ya. When you keep that man, you gonna in us for the very first day. Watch around. Watch your surrounding. Be very vigilant. If you see the money you forget sex, don't do it. If you come, take and come gonna you own place if you get your own place. Yes. I guess over there will be more secured. That's why if you say one cartoon and now you don't set your camera. Just set your camera in an angle towards the bed. That's when yourself can take pictures of her now. You can make videos. Yes. It don't say when they play with. My brothers, I don't remember saying now we born una. Now we born una. Now we born una. Una not the head, but we not the neck. And without the neck, the head cannot stand. Una left for the cartoon we. Una left for the pass around with we naked pictures thing. It is not right. Una the blackmail we. If woman look you a pulling clothes for you, that alone is priceless. You for respect them for that. You don't forgo your video or you taking picture unknowingly to them or in taking picture is sent them to you. You don't for taking the person on social media. It is not nice. Papa God you watch you know all we get and stick it in the. It's not fine. It just tell like when man don't make love to woman, then he sit down back he talk about her. I don't make love to her. That baby day, I don't make love to her. You say if you know go to guy day, I don't make love to her. Body yeah. God they watch you now get and stick it in the. God they watch you now. It's not nice at all. When I get for stop, and my sisters they are the big when I do ya big before the ending of October. I want to see a naked dick rolling around WhatsApp. When I tata for now. This is not a beautiful sister, Lamina too. Sanko.